all the technical and writing award winners. Wonderful.
Thank you, sir. I would now like to open the forum for the media to ask their questions.
कितना ग्लैमरस हुआ है फिल्म में? मैं महिलाओं के बारे में ज़्यादा कुछ जानता नहीं, but I have to tell you a very interesting anecdote. Kamini ji is our first Filmfare cover girl. She also showed me this cover at her place, and I was not aware. I was just like a rookie reporter then, and she said, you know, we started the award with just four awards. So the first, I have to tell you also an interesting anecdote, and hopefully we'll be able to recreate that. The first award winners were Mr. Bimal Roy for Best Director, Mr. Dilip Kumar for Best Actor, and Meena Kumari ji for Best Actress. So those were the first award winners in 1954. और औरतों का योगदान, I mean, look at the women. Madhubala, Nutan, Nargis. Look at the women. Smita Patil, Shabana Azmi. Can the history of Indian cinema be written without Sharmila ji, Rekha ji, right up to Deepika, Priyanka, Alia? Can the movies that, I mean, when you talk about Hindi cinema, one of the biggest movies you talk about is Mother India. When you talk about movies, can you ignore a Kajol? Can you ignore a Tabu? Can you ignore a Nandita Das? Can you ignore a Konkana Sen Sharma? Or even the South Indian actresses. I mean, I'm not sure if you're aware of them, but there were great actresses like Srividya in Malayalam, who were, and like Tamanna herself, they've spanned all the four industries. You know, whether it's Shobhana, whether it's Revati, whether it's Rohini, they've all done all kinds of cinema. So, औरतों का योगदान, they are like this really the spine and soul of the movies. And glamour की बात, as time and social media evolves, the heroines become more and more glamorous, and Filmfare we try to retain the soul more than just the glamour. And if you see that, it's reflected in the magazine as well.
और एक और योगदान ये है जितेश कि फिल्मफेयर की ट्रॉफी वो ब्लैक लेडी है, ब्लैक जेंटलमैन है.
तमन्ना जी, any memory when you are in college, school, तब से आप फिल्मफेयर टीवी पर देखा करती थी, now आज आप फिल्मफेयर की पीसी में, ऐसी कोई memory?
I think I remember seeing Karishma Kapoor win awards, and you know, तभी I think it was very different. It was a very even the events felt like मुझे हर artist ने, like I remember एक सलवार कमीज में जाके उन्होंने अपना award collect किया. There was such a, I don't know, there was a kind of rawness to those particular award ceremonies. Am I right, Jitesh? I remember seeing, मुझे वो एक बहुत vivid memory है. मैंने जब उन्हें देखा था, I felt कि मैं भी उनके जैसा बनना चाहती हूँ. So yeah, and when I meet Lolo now, she's like, she's warmest, sweetest. So yeah, it's like her life is like so true.
Hi, Samina here from Zoom Channel. My question is to both Rajkumar and Tamanna. As films have also evolved over the years, you know, with technology coming into advancement, what is that one thing when it comes to award ceremonies you want that to be evolved, and one thing that should be retained to both of them?
I think as Tamanna said, I also remember when we were growing up watching film fairs on our television screen, the whole fun of not knowing who is going to be the winner, and to get to know it then and there was such a high for us. But now, of course, because of social media, you get to know it way more in advance. I miss that thrill of watching it on television and not knowing who's going to be the winner. And how people used to come. Everybody would come together and you know, just root for each other. So I think there was a lot of love and friendship which I used to see on screen. Even on TV, I could feel that, and there was a lot of love and you know, mutual admiration for each other at that time. So I wish that comes back. And what was the next one?
One thing which you
to evolve, to retain. I think the trophy should be as it is. They should never ever change the shape of it because it's iconic. You know, there's so much history attached to it, and it's heavy but it's beautiful. So yeah, I think that should never ever change. And Jitesh should be the Filmfare editor all his life. And of course, but there should be some, as you said, some recognition.
Yeah, this for Jitesh. Fine. This is technically supposed to be the most important aspect of filmmaking, technical film. So wondering how come the awards are announced randomly rather than actual awarding on the award?
Imagination. This is yet another talking point. There is a jury which will be announced at the end of on the 11th. The jury, the technical jury will be announced, and these winners will be honored in Ahmedabad. So there is the Black Lady. It will be a full-fledged function where all these winners will be honored. This is just like a talking point where we decided that we will honor and announce the technical award winners. That's all. There is no attempt to make it random or anything.
Hi Raj, राज आपसे दो सवाल है। पहला तो काय पूछिए गुजरात है गुजरात की, और दूसरा श्रीकांत को लेके कहा जा रहा है आपको नेशनल अवार्ड मिलना चाहिए, क्या कहना चाहिए?
थैंक यू सो मच। गुजरात की बहुत सारी यादें हैं। काय पूछिए ऑफ कोर्स पहली बात है जब मैं गुजरात गया था और हमने वहाँ लगभग ऑलमोस्ट 60 डेज भी हुए थे, 70 डेज हम लोगों ने महसाणा में अहमदाबाद में बहुत शूट किया था। और मुझे बताया गया था कि मोदी जी का गाँव भी है, आई थिंक बड़नगर, तो उसकी भी बहुत एक्साइटमेंट थी। But we had a great time, you know, all three of us, me, Sushant, of course we miss him a lot, and Amit, we actually lived like brothers. It was very hot, we were shooting in June, in May, June in Ahmedabad, you can imagine the temperature. But I think this is the passion of these three young boys to make it, and to live unexpected characters with utmost sincerity. That's what kept us going. So I think बहुत सुनहरी यादें हैं शूटिंग की गुजरात में। और श्रीकांत के लिए हाँ, मैं भी ऐसा सुनता रहता हूँ कि लोगों को लगता है कि इसको मिलना चाहिए, सारे बड़े अवार्ड्स मिलने चाहिए। मुझे बहुत मज़ा आया और मेरा आई थिंक ये सबसे बड़ी बात है कि मुझे बहुत सारे मेरे सीनियर्स जिन्होंने ये फिल्म देखी है, जिन्होंने परफॉर्मेंस देखी है, उन्होंने जब कॉल किया, जो मैं सुपर सीरियस की बात कर रहा हूँ, जो आज हमारे लेजेंड्स हैं, वो जब बोलते हैं कि ये बहुत कम परफॉर्मेंस है दुनिया में ऐसी जो विजुअली इम्पेयर्ड एक्टर ने निभाई है, उनमें से एक है। सो आई थिंक दैट इटसेल्फ इज एन अवार्ड फॉर मी। Of course, people know, I know that I work very hard for all my characters because यही आता है मुझे, ना कभी प्लान भी था लाइफ में, यही था और इसी की मोहब्बत में बहुत सालों से थी और मोहब्बत हर फिल्म के साथ बढ़ती जा रही है because इतना वास्ट प्लेग्राउंड है एक्टिंग का कि हर फिल्म में आपको लगता है कि अरे अब ये वाला कैसे होगा। I think that fear is what keeps you going and I'm very happy that I get to work in films like Shrikant and Sri. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir.
राजकुमार और तमन्ना जी तकरीबन कितनी ब्लैक लेडी को कलेक्ट करना चाहते हैं आप लोग अपनी लाइफ में?
जब तक काम कर रहे हैं हर साल मिलती रहे। और इस फिल्म में OTT भी शुरू हो गया है तो अगर OTT पे उस साल काम किया तो वो भी मिलती रहे, बिकॉज बहुत अच्छा लगता है। वैसे घर पे जाके देखो ना, सब अवार्ड्स अच्छे हैं, नेशनल अवार्ड और फिल्मफेयर अवार्ड जैसी जो स्पेशल एक फीलिंग आती ना देख के, वो कहीं और नहीं आती।
Thank you so much. That was truly an interesting Q&A. Thank you, media, for your questions, and I now request the esteemed guests present on the stage and present in the audience to please come forward on the stage for a photo op. राजकुमार सर ने बहुत मोहब्बत के बारे में अच्छी बात बताई। पहले शेर पढ़ा था, उतराने बीत जाते हैं, फसाने बीत जाते हैं, सताने के मनाने के बहाने बीत जाते हैं। वो खड़े वो
अंकल बैठ जाओ नीचे।
जमाने बीत जाते हैं। Thank you all for gracing us with your presence today. It was an honor to have all of you with us at the press conference for the 70th Hyundai Filmfare Awards 2025 with Gujarat Tourism. We extend our heartfelt gratitude to Gujarat Tourism and to our title partner Hyundai Motor India Limited for their invaluable support in making this milestone possible. We look forward to seeing you all in Gujarat on October 11th for the grand celebration of Hindi cinema 70th Filmfare Awards 2025 with Gujarat Tourism. Tickets available in your district. Thank you so very much. Thank you so much.
अरे संभालिए संभालिए अंकल बैठ जाओ
सितारों को आंखों में महफूज रखना बहुत दूर तक मुलाकात होगी। मुसाफिर हो तुम भी, मुसाफिर है हम भी। फिर किसी मोड़ पर मुलाकात होगी। हम मेरा ही प्यार ने फिर मिलेंगे चलते चलते। Thank you once again for being with us. Thank you so much.
ये कनेक्ट करो तो जरा कनेक्ट हो रहा है क्या हो रहा है कनेक्ट करो क्या हो रहा है क्या आसिम भाई का ओटीजी मेरे इस पे नहीं हो रहा पता नहीं क्यों बाहर काढून घेतोय ना कनेक्ट नहीं हो रहा ओटीजी
अभी यहाँ से कोई एक आदमी जाएगा कोई एक
तमन्ना मैम यहाँ तमन्ना जी
मैम यहाँ पे सामने
यहाँ तमन्ना जी यहाँ पे देखिए क्या
तमन्ना यहाँ पे
थैंक यू
तमन्ना मेरे पास
तमन्ना जी राइट यहाँ
तमन्ना रुके मिला नहीं इधर देखिए इधर तमन्ना लेफ्ट में आपके
तमन्ना जी लेफ्ट
चलो हो गया मैं तुम्हें चाहिए
तमन्ना जी पीछे देखिए
अरे गए बाहर के
थोड़ा पीछे
आप हट जाइए आप हट जाइए हाथ नीचे कर दीजिए
बस